Welcome back to If you love two wheels, revving engines, and the latest in motorcycling, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated updates in the Indian street naked motorcycle scene, the 2026 Bajaj Pulsar NS 200. For years, the NS 200 has been the go-to bike for enthusiasts looking for power, style, and affordability, all rolled into one muscular package. And for 2026, Bajaj Auto has made sure that this legendary street fighter continues to hold its crown, with a bold evolution that's got fans buzzing across the country. So settle in as we break down everything, from the engine and design, to tech, ride feel, and how it stacks up against the competition. Whether you're a current NS owner or thinking about buying one, this video will give you all the details you need. Let's rev things up. The 2026 Pulsar NS 200 is not just a minor update, it's a visual overhaul. The bike looks sharper, more aggressive, and more premium than ever. Up front, there's a brand new LED headlamp setup with integrated DRLs that give it a distinctive, almost robotic face. The tank shrouds are more aerodynamic and angular, adding to the bike's street fighter persona. But it's not just about aesthetics. The new body panels are designed to improve airflow, helping with both engine cooling and aerodynamics. The bike also feels slightly more compact and muscular now, and that's a big plus. The 2026 NS 200 now comes with a fully digital TFT display, replacing the older semi-digital unit. The new console is crisp, colorful, and loaded with information. You get gear position, a fuel consumption readout, a distance-to-empty meter, clock, and even turn-by-turn navigation via Bluetooth connectivity. Yes, you heard that right. Bluetooth connectivity is now part of the package. Pair your smartphone with the bike using the Bajaj Ride Connect app and get access to calls, messages, music control, and even ride stats. This alone brings the NS 200 in line with premium competition and adds serious value. Now let's talk about the engine, because this is what the NS series is known for. The 2026 model retains the proven 199.5 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, but it's now BS7 compliant and tuned for even better refinement and fuel efficiency. It still pumps out around 24.5 horsepower and 18.7 Nm of torque, keeping it among the most powerful in its segment. What's new here is the ride-by-wire throttle, offering more precise throttle response and smoother power delivery. Bajaj has also worked on reducing engine vibrations, so the riding experience is more refined, whether you're cruising at 40 km per hour in the city or blasting down the highway at 100. The 6-speed gearbox remains slick and responsive, and Bajaj has improved the clutch action for lighter feel and smoother gear shifts. There's no slipper clutch yet, which might disappoint some, but the improvements in clutch feel make it manageable even in stop-and-go traffic. The NS 200 has always been praised for its handling, thanks to its perimeter frame and balanced geometry. For 2026, Bajaj has upped the game by introducing USD, upside down, forks up front. This is a massive upgrade. The new suspension not only improves the bike's stability at high speeds, but also makes cornering much more confidence-inspiring. At the rear, the gas-charged monoshock has been retuned for better comfort and control. Overall, the bike feels planted and responsive. Whether you're leaning into corners or filtering through city traffic, the 2026 NS 200 handles it all with finesse. The bike continues to get pedal disc brakes, 300 mm at the front and 230 mm at the rear, but with updated dual-channel ABS as standard. Bajaj has also refined the ABS calibration to kick in more smoothly, which is a welcome change for aggressive riders. Braking feel is sharp and confidence-inspiring, even when riding in wet conditions. So in terms of safety, Bajaj hasn't cut any corners. We took the 2026 NS 200 out for a city ride, a short highway sprint, and a twisty backroad session, and the impressions are solid. In the city, the bike is quick off the line, nimble in traffic, and easy to manage. The new clutch feel helps a lot here, and the ride-by-wire throttle gives you smooth, linear response, especially useful in unpredictable traffic. On the highway, the bike holds speeds of 90 to 100 km per hour with ease. There's minimal vibration, and the revised seat cushioning offers better comfort on longer rides. The seat height is around 805 mm, so it's approachable for most riders. In the twisties, the bike shines. The perimeter frame, sticky MRF tires, and new USD forks work together to give you incredible cornering stability. If you're someone who likes weekend rides in the Ghats or hilly terrain, the 2026 NS 200 won't disappoint. Aside from the new digital console and Bluetooth connectivity, the 2026 NS 200 also comes with an LED lighting setup all around, better switchgear with backlit buttons, a USB charging port, and an optional mobile mount from the factory. It's clear Bajaj is now targeting not just performance-hungry riders, but also the modern, tech-savvy commuter. Bajaj claims around 38 to 40 km/L, depending on your riding style. In mixed conditions, city and highway, expect a real-world mileage of about 35 to 37 km/L, which is quite decent for a 200 cubic centimeters performance bike. The fuel tank stays at 12 liters, giving you a decent range of over 400 kilometers, enough for daily commutes, and the 2026 Bajaj Pulsar NS 200 is priced at around Rs. 1.69 lakh ex-showroom. With the new tech, updated design, and improved performance, it still offers incredible value. Yes, it's a bit pricier than before, but the upgrades make it worth every extra rupee. In this segment, you've got bikes like the TVS Apache RTR 204V, the Honda Hornet 2.0, and even the KTM Duke 200. Compared to the Apache, the NS now offers more tech and a sportier ride. The Hornet 2.0 is more of a commuter-focused bike, and while the Duke 200 is more aggressive, it's also significantly more expensive. In terms of overall balance, power, handling, features, and price, the 2026 NS 200 hits the sweet spot for riders who want an all-rounder that doesn't compromise on thrills. To wrap it up, the 2026 Bajaj Pulsar NS 200 is more than just an upgrade, it's a revival. With a fresh design, new-age tech, better suspension, refined power delivery, and that unmistakable NS attitude, Bajaj has successfully evolved one of its most iconic machines. It's a bike that now feels modern, aggressive, and worthy of leading the 200 cubic centimeters street-naked segment once again. If you're in the market for a powerful daily rider that's equally fun on weekends, the 2026 NS 200 should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's deep dive. What do you think about the new NS 200? Are you planning to upgrade or buy one? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. We've got more exciting content coming your way, from test rides to comparisons and everything two-wheeled. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe, ride hard, and stay passionate.